Okay, this is the second part of solving this day's work numerical. In the first part, at the end, we already found out the resultant delat and resultant departure. So we will note down this resultant delat that we have calculated, and we'll note down the latitude, departure latitude from the question, because this is the position latitude from where we moved, and we need to find this arrival lat. So final delat we will write, then we will write the departure lat from the question, and we will find this arrival latitude. How to find this latitude from this step, I'll make another video of how to calculate d long, d lat and everything. So this is a simple step. D lat you have already found out, and latitude is given in the question, so we will find the arrival lat. Okay, now you have reached this position ki latitude aa gaya aapka. Now second question is to find the d long, because if you will find the d long, you will reach to this arrival longitude from where you moved actually. So d long's formula is d long is equal to departure upon cos m lat. This departure is the final departure that you calculated in the first part, and cos m lat is the formula arrival latitude plus departure latitude divided by 2. Arrival latitude is 1 that we have found over here, and departure latitude is given in the question, plus minus by 2. If arrival lat and departure lat are having same direction, for example north, then we will add, opposite direction we will subtract. Okay, by 2 will give you the cos m lat. This is the cos m lat formula. We will put this cos m lat in the d long formula. D long is equal to departure upon cos m lat. We will get this d long. East or west depends on the resultant departure that we have calculated in the first part. So you have now d long also. Now you have departure longitude, which is given in the question, and d long we have found out by formula departure upon cos m lat. So we will get this arrival longitude. So you have now arrival latitude and arrival longitude with you. Okay, if you are asked a simple question of day's work in the question paper, you will be asked that what was the course made good and what was the distance made good. So you will make a diagram like this. This is theta, this is d lat, and this is departure, and this is distance. So by normal basic trigonometry method, you can solve this. What was the course made good? So this is the theta, which is the course made good. So tan theta is perpendicular by base. So departure p by b by d lat will give you the theta. This departure is in minutes, d lat in minutes, both final departure and final d lat that you calculate in the first part, and this will give you the theta. So first part of the answer is done. That course made good was this one. Distance made good. This is the distance, this is the base, and this is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So b by h will give this cos theta. So cos theta is b by h, or you can remember by simple formula that d lat is equal to distance into cos cos. So distance is equal to this much miles. And remember, to get in miles, you have to use this d lat, final d lat in minutes. So first two parts, course made good and distance made good, is solved.